Yo, what's up, guys? As y'all can tell, I got a haircut. I had to go to the barbershop looking a little rough today because Loki woke up late. That's why I didn't let y'all know before I got a fade. But man, that hoe looking like I just woke up because I did, bruh. I woke up late. I might go to the gym right after. I gotta go take a shower. I might take the truck, but we'll see. I'll see you in a bit. So I just got out of the shower. As y'all can tell, cleaned up. I'm on the way to the gym now. It is back day. I might show y'all a little something in there. I don't know yet. I think I am going to a new gym. Hopefully, I figure out how to use the machines there. So we just got into the new gym. Shit, we're gonna see if we can find any back machines. It looks like it's not that packed, but I still don't know what every machine is, so I gotta figure all that out. But I'll let y'all know as soon as I'm at a machine. Yo, before anything, we gotta stretch. We on the first workout. I think it's lat pull down. I don't know. I'm gonna show y'all a rep real quick. It's like tighter. I'm gonna keep hitting this. I'm gonna let y'all know whenever I'm on the next machine. On the next exercise or machine. It is a different style machine that I'm used to. This is pull. I'm gonna hit this machine real quick and I'm gonna let y'all know as soon as I'm on the next one. So I just got done with the gym. I didn't record in there because there's some loud music going on. And you know how it be. So right now, I'm gonna go take another shower and I might go pick the truck up. But I am hungry. I don't know if I'll probably make a sandwich at home or get something to eat, but I'll probably make a sandwich at the crib on the cool. So I'll let y'all know if I get into something. So right now, I'm about to pick the truck up and then I'm gonna go pick my girlfriend up to take her to eat. We're gonna go get some Jersey Mike's. I don't know if y'all ever tried that, but it's fire. We'll be getting the Philly cheesesteak from there. We'll be getting, I'll be getting the number 8. Basically is ham and turkey. But I'll show y'all a little cold store right here. I got the cold store, guys. No quiso. What? Let's click it again. A la madre. Did it break? Hold on, let me see. First time this has ever happened. It doesn't want to start. There it goes. Let's go see the engine. Because it didn't want to start. Everything seems intact. I thought it was going to be the wrong. But it wasn't that. I'm wondering if it was because the temperature changed. It's not as hot anymore. So, I don't know, but it sounds nice. So, I'll see y'all whenever I pick my girl up. So I just picked my girl up. And, see what's up? We're riding with the windows down because the weather's nice. We'll let y'all know whenever we're at Jersey Mike's already. I'll see you in a bit. We just got to Jersey Mike's. Jersey Mike's. Aquí está la troquita, la bebé. But I'll let you know whenever I order. We just got the food.
It smells good.
It smells good out here, bro.
It smells like a pizza.
Yeah, they had took a while because I think they had got a lot of orders, but it's all good. I don't know why the truck is not starting. When I hit the remote start, it's like it don't want to start, but it's all good. Let me see. Oh, there it goes.
Started by itself.
Yeah. Shit. Well, at least it started. So I did come to pick the truck up for a late night cruise. We ate the Jersey Mike's earlier, and I dropped my girl off. So right now we're finna just go cruise. So I'll give you a point of view. So right now we're pumping gas before we hop on the highway to go to downtown. So 93, only the best. So we about to pull up to the spot. See if we're downtown. Got some nice lights going on. So we just got to the spot. My girl right here. He's here. But let me show you the view. How she looking? Check the view out, guys. But I do think this is gonna be it for the video. Y'all make sure y'all go follow the TikTok, like and subscribe. And if y'all didn't like it, it's all good. But it's gonna be it for this video. I'm gonna probably end off the video with some rollers on the way back, like point of view clips on the way back. So y'all be easy and be safe.